Hello everyone! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is me, Lenbert L. So for today's video guys, is since I am a real estate marketing sales personnel, so let's talk about a topic that incline in real estate industry. Okay? So sino excited sa ating topic ngayon? Say yay! Marami kayong interesado sa ating topic ngayon. So, ang ating topic ngayon guys is mag-uusap tayo about sa terminology na pre-selling. But before of that, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang aking ginawang intro. Sana ay magustuhan nyo. Pasok! Intro! So ayan, welcome back sa ating video. Nabanggit ko kanina yung topic natin is what is pre-selling. Pre-selling. Guys, hindi ko na to patatagalin pa. Yung tinatawag nating terminology na pre-selling, especially in real estate industry, real estate business, property, is tulad dito, ganito. Ito ang mga example ko sa pre-selling sa real estate industry. While bakit tinatawag siyang pre-selling? Pre-selling dahil hindi pa siya natapos. Hindi pa siya natapos, ongoing po yung construction niya. Saglit lang muna guys ha. Before tayo magpatuloy, is mayroon lang akong maiksing advertisement sa inyo. Ito yung mga binibenta ko ngayon. This is Fiona House and Lot, located in Kilometer 3, Butuan City, Agusan del Norte. Yan, nakikita nyo yan. This is a Fiona. So, si Fiona ay isa sa mga pre-selling house and lot property natin ni Prime World Township developer. So si Fiona guys is only you have to pay 15,000 in order for you to reserve a Fiona unit in Prime World Township, Butuan City. Okay, and this is another one of our pre-selling unit of Prime World. This is unit type Georgian. So si unit type Georgian, same as 20,000 pesos sort of reservation fee to avail your house and lot property in Prime World Butuan Township. So okay, so thank you for listening and let's proceed to our topic. Bakit mo kailangan, kung nagplano kang magkabahay sooner, kung wala ka pang ma-cash ngayon na pera para makabili ng house and lot property? So this is for you guys, a pre-selling property. So ito ang napakagandang tungkol sa pre-selling property. So in short, si pre-selling unit property of house and lot is mura pa. So dahil yung demand ng price niya is syempre hindi pa makapag-demand si developer kasi under pre-selling pa yung building na tinatayo ni developer. Okay? So that is why we encourage you guys, all of you who are dreaming your dream home, buy sooner. A years after, at least you have reserving your dream home, house and lot property. At least yung mga pagsisikap mo, yung mga pagpupuyat mo sa pagtatrabaho, may output ka na makikita, which is your dream home. Okay? That's why I came here in real estate business industry, so that I do have sooner my dream home. So guys, are we cleared? Naintindihan ba natin kung ano yung pre-selling? Again, si pre-selling is yun yung mga si pre-selling house and lot property sa in real estate industry, real estate business, is yun yung mga building na ginagawa pa lang, hindi pa natapos, kaya tinatawag siyang pre-selling. And the advantage of buying pre-selling unit property is mura pa yung pagkakuha mo. Okay? Yun yung definition ko sa pre-selling. And hopefully yung sa mga nakikinig dyan, kung may mga ma-i-impart kayo ng mga additional knowledge about pre-selling, kindly comment down below, because I'm a newly one also here in real estate business industry, and I hope and I pray that soon I will become successful in this business industry. Thank you guys for listening for my video, and please guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Lenbert Ellie, a real estate agent. Thank you guys. God bless everyone. I love you all. Ting, 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 ting.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.